In the i3media consortium, outstanding companies from the media sector, acting at different points along the value chain, production, distribution and commercial advertising, team up to avail of the knowledge and technical know-how that allows them to compete in the ever-changing global market. It is not just from a desire to innovate, but rather a need to compete. Within the framework of the project, the consortium actively collaborates with 10 different research organisms, distributed all over Spain, bringing together a group of professionals and researchers specialised in the media sector that is unprecedented in Spain. In i3media, these companies take on the commitment to investigate within the technological frontiers associated with audiovisual content. The project, in line with the priorities of European Union research programmes, aspire to advance a leadership role for the audiovisual industry in the global marketplace.
Estamos muy esperanzados en este proyecto. De hecho, siempre hemos creído que la investigación y el desarrollo son necesarios para dar saltos cualitativos en las tecnologías de la información, y ahora vamos a trabajar con 150 investigadores de primer nivel. Y también siempre hemos creído que la concentración de esfuerzos entre el sector y las administraciones nos permitirían crear productos y contenidos socialmente avanzados y necesarios que quizá nos pueden permitir liderar este sector en Europa.
The audiovisual sector currently finds itself in an outstanding position, mostly due to the process of digitalization and the development of new distribution channels that have taken place over the past 20 years. The current technology permits the use of audiovisual products anytime and anywhere. The audiovisual sector, and especially the media sector, are at present in a process of expansion, reaching new economic sectors every day and offering new products and ways of consuming them. There is, however, one paradoxical aspect of this growth. The greater audiovisual offer and increased distribution channels actually make it increasingly more difficult to get these contents to the public. The media sector takes in several technological areas related to display devices, communication and distribution, to name but a few. The partnership project, however, is focused on content-related technology aimed at personalization, synthetic image creation or index linking information, among others. The starting point for generating a new audiovisual model is the development of technologies that permit working with the smallest possible content unit, that is, with each frame. Within the frame itself there will be a group of independent objects, each one with its own associated information. From here, objects can be extracted, exchanged or modified, depending on the personal profile of each consumer. Once the image has been fragmented, the project focuses on 3 areas: intelligent content, personalized content, and automation of the associated processes. In the not-too-distant future, the technologies developed using these criteria will be able to create products and services with ever-increasing possibilities at an affordable cost.
Hola Carlos, veo que hoy llegas temprano. He preparado el resumen de noticias del día y te he agregado leche en la lista de la compra.
Perfecto, ponme el programa de cocina de ayer y así me inspiro para esta noche.
The user of the future will not only be able to find the program they want, but also interact with the contents in a way that up to now would have been impossible. The content will have become intelligent. The objects will be capable of carrying additional information that can be consulted whenever the user likes. The content can be intelligent because the images will be comprised of several layers. Furthermore, having an internet connection means the user will be able to click on the objects and navigate. Just like any web page, clicking will allow us to access more information. The possibility of linking information to each object can have several functions, whether these are of an informative or advertising nature. The advertiser will not only be able to integrate their product within the contents of the image, but also adapt it to whatever the user is doing at that particular moment, to the display device being used or to the user's personal profile. For example, an advertiser might decide to use different products in different countries depending on where the campaign is shown. Automating content is the third area the partnership will concentrate on. While other industrial activities have accomplished total automation of production processes, the media industry is still too much of a craft. The answer is to make production of intelligent content with technology that requires the minimum intervention of the operator. Besides cutting production costs, automation will be essential in handling the enormous volume of content in the near future. In order to create intelligent, personalized and automated content, the partnership will conduct an in-depth study of several fields of research. We will be working with meta-contents and auto-catalogation of characters and objects. The research will also be focused on visual and acoustic virtual backgrounds, as well as recreating scenes. We will also work on natural language and expressivity, interaction, perception and communication between users. In order to play a relevant part in the media sector, our audiovisual industry needs to make a technological leap. Our project provides the required innovation to face the challenges of a global industry that can compete with big budgets and a qualified professional team. In order to be successful in the future, our industry not only needs creativity, but also technologies capable of transforming content with ever more freedom and efficiency.